How to fix Windows randomly locking problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your start menu and then search for edit power plan. You can also go from your control panel right over here, and here you will see several options. Go to change advanced power setting. Now in this, turn off hard disk after, simply select none and scroll down and then go to battery. Select plus. Now go to full battery action. And now in this on battery section, select on hibernate and then if there is an option of do nothing, select do nothing. Like this, select do nothing. Scroll down and then go to low battery action and also do make it do nothing in both of the on battery and plugged in section. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.